different. Somebody asked me how to feed my pigeons peanuts, and you have to. This is just a baby pigeon,
Yeah.
and he's
one of the
learning.
youngest.
You hold in your hands like peanuts, and this is the youngest
One of the
pigeon,
youngest. His
one of
brother's
the
younger.
youngest. He's not even flying like a lot, but like you can see, this is how you feed him. There are many ways to do it. You can put it in a
Container.
container or something like that, but hand feeding is like taming your bird. And
Oh, Tom came up.
that's what it is. Well, this is the father of that baby. He knows what he's doing. So
He just gobble, gobble, gobble.
they like peanuts. You can see that.